Let's say that you have a 22-pound dog that comes to you that is very sick, and you need to prescribe some medication. The first problem you would have would be in getting the weight changed into a metric measure, because medication typically is given in the dosage is given in metric measures. So I would go back to my table and find that 1 kilogram is equal to 2 2/10 pounds. So I'd set up my unit multiplier. I'm given 22 pounds, and I'm going to multiply that. I want to get rid of pounds, so it goes in the denominator. I want to keep kilograms, so it goes in the numerator. I have 1 kilogram is 2 2/10 pounds. So the pounds cancels out, and that gives me 22 over 2 2/10 kilograms. So I divide 2 2/10 into 22, move the decimal right, move the decimal right. 22 into 22 goes one time. 22 into 0 goes 0. Therefore, we know 22 pounds is equivalent to 10 kilograms. So the dog now is 10 kilograms, and that's the measure that we will use. Now, sometimes the dosage of medicine that we have is given to us in milligrams. So you might know that the strength of this medicine is to be given 2 milligrams per 1 kilogram of body weight. So what we would want to know is milligrams. How much medicine would we give the dog? And so we want to get rid of kilograms again. So we're still using our unit conversion. I have a 10 kilogram dog. I'm going to multiply that by, I want to get rid of kilograms. I want to know how many milligrams to give it. Therefore, kilograms cancels out, and you have 20 milligrams is the amount of medication that would be needed. Sometimes medication is given to us in a tablet form. Sometimes tablets are scored, so that if they are scored, we can cut them in half, and we will be fairly sure that this half would be the same amount as this half. Often it's more economical to buy the larger strength and cut it in half. So let's say that the tablet says that for 1 tablet, it will have a value of 40 milligrams. Well, we just found out that this dog needs 20 milligrams. So we know that 40 would be twice as much as would be needed. Therefore, the dog would need 1/2 of a tablet. Now we found it needs 20 milligrams. Sometimes the strength of the medication would be given to us in milliliters. 1 milliliter per 10 milligrams. Well, we found the dog needs 20 milligrams. Therefore, I want to get rid of milligrams, so it goes on the bottom. Milligrams cancels. 10 into 20 is 2. So we would need 2 milliliters. So different forms of administering medication will require it to be written in different ways. However, the amount of medication given is the same. 20 milligrams, or a half of a tablet, or 2 milliliters would represent the same dosage given to the 10 kilogram dog.